Imagine a world alive with the gentle hum of bees. These tiny creatures, wings a blur, are a familiar sight. Their industrious buzzing fills the air. We often take them for granted, yet their importance cannot be overstated. This is the story of the Western honeybee. From their hives to our food supply, honeybees are essential. Join us as we delve into their fascinating lives, uncover the secrets of their complex societies. Prepare to be amazed by the delicate dance of pollination. The Western honeybee, known scientifically as Apis mellifera, is a tiny creature with a mighty impact. Though small in stature, their influence on our planet is vast and undeniable. They are the unsung heroes of our food chain, responsible for pollinating a significant portion of the crops that sustain us. Native to regions spanning Europe, Asia and Africa, the Western honeybee has since been introduced to every corner of the globe. This widespread distribution speaks volumes about their adaptability and resilience. These remarkable insects have thrived in diverse environments, from the rolling hills of the countryside to the bustling heart of urban landscapes. Their ability to adapt is a testament to their evolutionary success. They are master architects, constructing intricate hives with mathematical precision. Within these bustling hubs of activity, a complex social structure is at play, with each bee playing a specific role in the survival of the colony. Honeybees are far more than just honey producers. They are essential pollinators, playing a critical role in the reproductive cycle of countless plant species. As they flit from flower to flower, their furry bodies collect and distribute pollen, enabling plants to bear fruit and seeds. This process, known as pollination, is the very foundation of our food supply. Without honeybees, our plates would be drastically bare. The fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds that we rely on for sustenance would dwindle, impacting not only our diets, but the delicate balance of entire ecosystems. Their role extends far beyond our dinner tables. Honeybees contribute to the biodiversity of our planet, ensuring the survival of countless plant species that provide food and shelter for a myriad of other creatures. They are a vital thread in the intricate web of life, connecting us all in a delicate dance of interdependence. The Western honeybee's journey across the globe is a testament to both its adaptability and its value to humans. Originally native to Europe, Africa and the Middle East, these industrious insects have been embraced by cultures worldwide for millennia. Their honey, a golden liquid treasure, has graced tables and sweetened palates since time immemorial. From the sun-drenched fields of Italy to the fertile valleys of China, honeybees have found a home wherever flowers bloom. They have adapted to diverse climates and terrains, from tropical rainforests to temperate grasslands. Their ability to thrive in such a wide range of environments speaks to their resilience and adaptability. This global distribution is no accident. Honeybees have journeyed across continents alongside humans, who have long recognized their value as pollinators and honey producers. Ancient civilizations revered these buzzing allies, recognizing their crucial role in agriculture and food production. Honey, that golden nectar produced by honeybees, is more than just a sweetener. It's a testament to the industrious nature of these remarkable creatures, a concentrated essence of sunshine and floral fragrance. For centuries, honey has been prized not only for its culinary versatility, but also for its medicinal properties. Ancient cultures recognized honey's ability to soothe sore throats, promote wound healing, and boost overall well-being. Modern science is beginning to unravel the complex chemical composition of honey, revealing a treasure trove of antioxidants, enzymes, and antibacterial agents. Beyond its medicinal and culinary uses, honey has also played a significant role in human history as a source of light. Beeswax, another remarkable product of the hive, was crafted into candles that illuminated homes and places of worship long before the advent of electricity. Within the bustling confines of a beehive, a remarkable social structure is at play. Thousands of worker bees, all female, carry out the tasks essential for the colony's survival. Their lives are a symphony of coordinated effort, a testament to the power of collective action. From the moment a worker bee emerges from her cell, she embarks on a life dedicated to the hive. Her duties will change as she ages, progressing through a series of roles vital to the colony's well-being. Young worker bees tend to the brood, feeding and caring for the developing larvae. As they mature, worker bees transition to roles outside the hive. They become foragers, venturing out into the world to collect nectar, pollen and water. These tireless workers navigate complex landscapes, relying on their keen senses and remarkable navigational abilities to find their way back to the hive. The significance of honeybees extends far beyond the confines of their hives. Their foraging activities have a ripple effect throughout the environment, influencing the health and diversity of ecosystems far and wide. As they flit from flower to flower, they play a crucial role in plant reproduction. Their furry bodies, covered in fine hairs, act as pollen magnets. As they gather nectar, pollen grains cling to their hairs, hitching a ride to the next flower. This inadvertent transfer of pollen, known as pollination, is essential for the fertilization of many plant species. Without honeybees and other pollinators, the world would be a far less vibrant and bountiful place. Many of the fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds that we rely on for food would be scarce or non-existent. The delicate balance of ecosystems would be disrupted, impacting countless species that depend on these plants for survival. The honeybee's anatomy is a marvel of miniature engineering. Their wings, legs and exoskeleton are perfectly adapted for their role in the ecosystem. Each body section houses vital organs and structures for survival and pollination. The honeybee's head is a marvel of sensory perception, equipped with specialized organs for navigation, communication and resource location. Dominating the head are two large compound eyes and three smaller simple eyes, known as ocelli. The compound eyes, made up of thousands of lenses called ommatidia, provide a wide field of vision. Honeybees can see ultraviolet light, helping them identify nectar guides on flowers. The ocelli help with orientation and light detection. Two slender antennae covered in tiny receptors detect chemical signals and air currents. The antennae are crucial for hive communication, recognizing nest mates and detecting the queen. The thorax, the middle section of the honeybee's body, is the powerhouse of flight. Attached to the thorax are two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs. The wings, thin and membranous, are powered by strong muscles. These wings can beat up to 230 times per second. Tiny hooks called hamuli interlock the wings during flight. This helps honeybees carry heavy loads of nectar and pollen. Each of the honeybee's 6 legs is multifunctional. The front legs clean the antennae and eyes, while the middle legs help with pollen packing. The hind legs have pollen baskets or corbiculae. These concave structures, fringed with stiff hairs, collect and transport pollen. The abdomen, the final segment of the honeybee's body, houses vital organs for digestion, respiration and reproduction. It is also home to the honeybee's most recognizable feature, its stinger. The segmented abdomen connects to the thorax by a narrow waist called the petiole. Within lies the crop, or honey stomach, for storing nectar. Bees collect nectar and store it in their crops. Enzymes break down nectar sugars, preparing it for honey. The digestive system processes pollen and nectar for nutrients. The respiratory system's trachea deliver oxygen to tissues. The abdomen also contains reproductive organs vital for the colony. Step inside a beehive and you'll find yourself in a bustling metropolis of activity. This marvel of natural architecture, constructed entirely of beeswax, is a testament to the honeybee's intricate social structure and remarkable engineering skills. The hive is a city of interconnected chambers, each with a specific purpose, all working in harmony to ensure the survival of the colony. At the heart of the hive lies the brood nest, a temperature-controlled nursery where the next generation of bees is meticulously nurtured. Here, row upon row of hexagonal cells, crafted from beeswax secreted by worker bees, house the developing larvae. The cells are a marvel of geometric precision, maximizing space while minimizing the amount of wax required. Surrounding the brood nest are the honeycombs, storage units for the colony's precious reserves of honey and pollen. These golden treasures, the fruits of the worker bee's tireless foraging, provide the colony with the energy and nutrients it needs to thrive. The hive is a testament to the honeybee's industrious nature, a living testament to the power of collective effort. At the heart of this bustling society reigns the queen, the matriarch and mother of the hive. Larger than her worker daughters, the queen is easily distinguished by her elongated abdomen and her regal bearing. Her presence, her very scent, permeates the hive, a constant reminder of her authority and her vital role in the colony's survival. The queen's primary duty is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. She is a prolific layer, capable of producing up to 2,000 eggs per day, each one carefully deposited in a beeswax cell prepared by the worker bees. Her fertility, the lifeblood of the hive, is carefully regulated by the worker bees who control her diet and tend to her every need. The queen's influence extends far beyond her egg-laying prowess. She secretes pheromones, chemical signals that regulate the behavior of the entire colony. These pheromones, a subtle but powerful form of communication, maintain order within the hive, suppress the development of rival queens, and even influence the foraging behavior of the worker bees. At the heart of this bustling society reigns the queen, the matriarch and mother of the hive. Larger than her worker daughters, the queen is easily distinguished by her elongated abdomen and her regal bearing. Her presence, her very scent, permeates the hive, a constant reminder of her authority and her vital role in the colony's survival. The queen's primary duty is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuation of the colony. Section 3. The workers, a symphony of labour. The vast majority of bees in a hive are workers, all female, all dedicated to the collective good of the colony. Their lives are a symphony of coordinated effort, a testament to the power of specialisation and teamwork. From the moment a worker bee emerges, she embarks on a life of tireless labour. Young worker bees begin as nurse bees, tending to the brood. They feed the larvae, maintain the brood nest and ensure hive hygiene. As they mature, their duties shift. Middle-aged bees build and repair honeycomb, receive nectar and pollen, guard the hive and remove dead bees. Their lives are a marvel of efficiency and dedication. Section 4. The drones on a royal mission. Amidst the bustling worker bees, drones can be found within the hive. Drones are identified by their stout bodies and large eyes. Their sole purpose is to mate with a virgin queen. Drones do not possess stingers or participate in chores. They are fed and cared for by worker bees. Drones gather to mate with a young queen during her nuptial flight. The life of a drone is short-lived. Those who mate with a queen die soon after. Remaining drones face a harsher fate. As resources become scarce, they are driven from the hive. Section 1. The language of the hive. Within the bustling confines of a beehive, a silent language is constantly being spoken. It's a language of vibrations, movements and scents, a complex symphony of signals. This remarkable communication system allows honeybees to function as a cohesive unit. Imagine a world where information is conveyed through intricate dances and chemical messages. This is the world of the honeybee, where communication is essential for survival. The waggle dance is a mesmerizing performance that shares information about food sources. A scout bee returns to the hive and performs this intricate dance. The dance encodes direction and distance to the food source. The vigor of the dance indicates the quality of the find. More enthusiastic dances recruit more foragers. While the waggle dance is remarkable, scent, in the form of pheromones, is crucial. The queen bee releases pheromones, influencing hive behavior and foraging. Worker bees also use pheromones for defense and marking food. These chemical signals ensure hive harmony. Pollination, the transfer of pollen, is essential for plant reproduction. It enables flowers to set seed and perpetuate their species. Without pollination, the world would lack the fruits, vegetables and seeds that sustain us. This intricate dance relies on the interplay between plants and pollinators. Plants rely on external agents like wind, insects and birds to carry pollen. Honeybees are masters of pollination. Their furry bodies and foraging efforts make them ideal pollinators. As they collect nectar and pollen, they facilitate plant fertilization. Honeybees are drawn to flowers by a symphony of sensory cues. The vibrant colors, alluring scents, and ultraviolet patterns guide bees to their floral rewards. Bees use their keen senses to locate and sip nectar, storing it in their honey sac. Pollen grains cling to their hairs, transferring to the next flower. This transfer triggers fertilization, leading to seed development. Pollen grains, though microscopic, are marvels of biological engineering. Encased in a tough shell, each grain contains genetic material to fertilize a flower's egg cell. Pollen grains vary in shape, size and texture, reflecting plant pollination strategies. Some are smooth and wind-dispersed, others sticky to cling to insects. When landing on a stigma, pollen germinates, sending a tube to the ovary. Pollination, the culmination of this intricate dance between plants and their pollinators, is essential for the production of fruits, vegetables and seeds. As the fertilized ovules within the ovary develop into seeds, the ovary itself undergoes a transformation, swelling and ripening into the fruit that we know and love. The diversity of fruits and vegetables in our diets is a testament to the power of pollination. From the humble apple to the juicy watermelon, from the vibrant tomato to the crunchy almond, all owe their existence to the tireless work of pollinators like the honeybee. But the importance of pollination extends far beyond our dinner tables. Pollination supports the growth of trees, shrubs and wildflowers, providing food and habitat for countless species of insects, birds and mammals. It maintains the health and diversity of our ecosystems, ensuring the continuation of life as we know it. Honey, a golden liquid treasure produced by honeybees, has been prized by humans for millennia. This sweet substance, crafted from flower nectar, is a culinary delight and a testament to the industrious nature of honeybees. Honey's journey from flower to hive showcases the honeybee's intricate social structure and ability to transform nature's bounty. Bees collect nectar with their long tongues, storing it in their honey sacs. Enzymes break down the nectar's sugars, transforming it into honey. The thickened nectar is deposited into honeycomb cells and sealed with wax. Beeswax, a remarkable product of the hive, showcases the honeybee's architectural prowess. Secreted by glands on worker bees' abdomens, beeswax forms the foundation of the beehive. Worker bees mold this material into intricate hexagonal cells. These cells serve multiple purposes within the hive. The brood nest houses developing larvae. Worker bees clean and prepare these cells. Honeycombs store honey and pollen. These storage units provide sustenance for winter. The hexagonal shape maximizes storage space. This design minimizes beeswax use. Angled walls prevent honey from spilling. For millennia, honeybees have thrived in diverse ecosystems worldwide, their buzzing a symphony of life intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Yet in recent decades, a shadow has fallen over the world of bees. Honeybee populations are facing unprecedented challenges, their numbers declining at alarming rates. Human activities are altering the planet, leaving behind fragmented habitats and polluted environments. These changes are disrupting the delicate balance that honeybees rely on for survival. The silent killers, pesticides and pollution. Pesticides designed to protect crops often harm honeybees, crucial for pollination. Neonicotinoids contaminate nectar and pollen, turning food sources into silent killers. Exposure impairs bee navigation, making foraging difficult. Other pesticides disrupt bee nervous systems, causing paralysis and death. Even low-level exposure weakens bee immune systems. Climate change. Disrupting the delicate balance. Climate change, driven by human activities, is disrupting the delicate balance of nature. Rising temperatures and extreme weather events are affecting bees and flowering plants. Plants are flowering at different times, disrupting bee foraging. Droughts reduce nectar production, stressing bees. Heat waves, floods and wildfires threaten bee colonies. Heat stress and floods can destroy bee colonies. Wildfires decimate bee habitats, leaving scorched earth. A call to action, safeguarding our pollinators. The decline of honeybee populations is a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. Their survival is essential for our ecosystems and food systems. The time for complacency is long past. Safeguarding these pollinators demands collective action from individuals, communities, and governments. We must raise awareness and educate ourselves about their importance and the threats they face. Support scientific research and advocate for sustainable practices. Promote policies that protect bee habitats and reduce pesticide use. Every individual has a role to play. Create havens for bees by planting diverse flowering plants. Support local beekeepers by purchasing their honey and hive products. Imagine a world where cities bloom with pollinator-friendly gardens, where roadsides burst with wildflowers, and where farms embrace practices that nurture bees and other beneficial insects. This is not a utopian dream, but a vision within our grasp, a future where humans and bees coexist in harmony, their destinies intertwined in a tapestry of mutual benefit. Restoring and creating bee-friendly habitats is a cornerstone of honeybee conservation. We must move beyond the manicured lawns and sterile landscapes that have become synonymous with modern life, embracing a wilder aesthetic that celebrates the beauty and ecological value of native plants. In urban areas, community gardens, rooftop gardens, and even window boxes can become oases for bees, providing much-needed sources of nectar and pollen in otherwise concrete jungles. Roadsides, often neglected strips of land, can be transformed into vibrant corridors of wildflowers, connecting fragmented habitats and providing forage for bees and other pollinators. The choices we make as consumers ripple through the intricate web of our food systems, influencing agricultural practices and shaping the landscapes that bees rely on for survival. By supporting farmers who prioritize bee-friendly practices, We can create a powerful incentive for change, shifting agricultural paradigms towards greater sustainability and ecological harmony. Seek out farmers' markets and local food cooperatives that prioritize products from farms that have adopted bee-friendly practices. Look for labels that certify products as bee-friendly or pollinator-friendly, indicating that the farmers have taken steps to minimize pesticide use, provide habitat for bees, and promote biodiversity. Reducing our reliance on pesticides in our own gardens and landscapes is another crucial step towards protecting bees. Embrace organic gardening practices, relying on natural pest control methods such as companion planting, beneficial insects, and organic fertilizers. Choose plants that are naturally resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical interventions. The hum of a honeybee, a symphony of life, is under threat. Human-induced challenges are causing their decline. The silence of a world without bees is a chilling prospect. We have a choice: continue unsustainable practices or embrace sustainability to save them. The future of honeybees rests in our hands. We are active participants in shaping nature's destiny. Plant a bee-friendly garden, support local beekeepers, educate others, and advocate for policies that protect bees. Let us become guardians of the bees.